Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to bold text on Instagram posts. So what you wanna do, guys, you wanna open your Instagram account, of course, and after that, it's very simple to bold text on Instagram. So what you wanna do, guys, you just wanna select the picture that you want to add bold text, or you can just create a new post. This is the same thing, the same process. So for example, I'm going to select something here. I'm going to select this picture, and then I'm going to click the three little dots in the top right corner. Then I'm going to click edit. So if you want to bold text your Instagram post, you just want to copy the text that you want to bold, text that you want to change to a bold text. So for example, I'm going to copy this and then go to Safari or any web browser, doesn't matter, and just type in bold text generator. I am going to add it in the screen. Okay, and then click go, search, and then select the first option. So after that, you just want to paste the text that we copied just a few seconds ago. You should just paste it here. Just paste the text. So now you can see the bold. You can just choose any like a few different options that will come up. You can choose any type, for example, serve, sans, medieval, bold. I'm just going to select the first option. I'm going to select all this. Just click it 2 times. Just click this text 2 times, and then copy all the text, and then go back to your Instagram post, and then just delete the old text and then add a bold text. That's exactly how you can do this. You can always do this with new posts if you want. I hope this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.